see that, I'll go ahead and click show trades so you guys can see exactly where I bought. And just so you guys can see, market opens here at 6:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time in Arizona. So pre-market hours, because of my TD Ameritrade account, I can trade as early as 4 o'clock, which is about 2.5 hours before the market opens. Because of this, I was able to take a trade, sell it, and then I made $390. When it comes down to my DWT trade, one of the things that I wanted to point out was that how and why did I choose to take a trade here? So there's a very simple reason. I made $808.50. But why was it so simple for me to make money off of DWT today? For those that are unfamiliar with what DWT is, it's the inverse ETN for crude oil. So when crude oil sells off, DWT pushes up. And because of that, I had one simple focus. And it doesn't always play out like this. It's not always this simple. But there's a very consistent descending pattern right when it broke below the middle VWAP. So I saw this thing beginning to consolidate, and then I began to see it make lower lows. And once I saw this consistent descending pattern and it getting rejected by the EMA line, I saw this to be an opportunity. It was a clear direction that was being consistent, and there was a clear pattern that was consistent. And let's be honest, the market has not been very consistent the past couple of weeks. So I saw this to be a very rare opportunity that I have not seen in the past couple of days, to say the least. And because of that, I saw forward/CL sell off. Again, this is a crude oil future. And when crude oil sells off, then the inverse ETN, which is DWT, goes up. And because of that, I was able to scalp DWT, just like I said, right? To be able to buy, to be able to sell, and sell it for $808 profit and 50 cents. So it's nothing special. It peaked out, ended up changing its direction as of now. And because of that, it's 11:24 a.m. I actually didn't spend that much time trading. I traded during pre-market hours. I took a nap, then got back so you guys could see the time from here. So I bought and then sold about 5 minutes later, or when was it? About 10 minutes later, and then made the $390, and then came back at 10 o'clock, so really 6 hours later, and then bought at 10 o'clock, sold at 10:15, and then bought at 10:26, bought at 10:31, and then sold at 10:32. So not too bad when it comes down to the actual time that I spent trading. I think I spent a total of like 30 or maybe 45 minutes. I want to explain that this is not always what happens. It's not always this simple, but I think that it's always worth learning more about. So I really do appreciate your guys' time. I hope that I earned your thumbs up in this video. If you have any more questions or suggestions on how I can better improve this video, drop that down in the comment section. I really hope that I earned your thumbs up. And if you guys want to stay connected, I do run the largest YouTube channel and the largest Facebook group that's free for those who day trade in the stock market. We have a little bit over 226,000 members within our free Facebook group. And of course, we have a free Discord chat. As soon as you join, you can click the link right here and it will bring you on over to our free Discord chat. If you guys have any questions on how to get started, you can either watch more of my videos on YouTube or send me a text if you have a specific question that I have not already answered on previous videos. So I really do appreciate your guys' time. Wish you guys an amazing rest of your Friday. Continue working hard, continue following dreams, light your passion, your drive, your success. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note.